Hi, my name is Feby, and today I'm going to talk about my English learning journey. In my opinion, the most challenging part of learning English is definitely speaking fluently and naturally. There is this fear of making mistake, like even though I know what I want to say in my head, sometimes I hesitate because I'm afraid of mispronouncing a word or using the wrong grammar. And when I'm nervous, I tend to forget everything I know, which make it even worse. Another thing is pronunciation and accent. English is tricky because the way a word is written is sometimes very different from the way it's spoken. Also, sometimes I get stuck because I'm translating everything in my head from Bahasa Indonesia to English, and that makes me slower in conversation. It's like my brain is buffering, but even though it's hard, I know it's also super important because English opens up a lot of opportunities, not just for education but also for connecting with people around the world. So even if it's challenging, I try to keep learning and practicing every day. When I was a kid, I didn't really take English seriously. I just learned it because it was part of the school curriculum. I remember memorizing vocabulary for tests, but not actually understanding how to use it in real life. English felt like a distant and foreign thing. Before I went to university, I started to develop more interest in English, especially from watching movies, listening to music, and playing video games. It was kind of fun to learn new phrases or understand what characters were saying without reading subtitles. Slowly, I began to realize that English was everywhere, and if I wanted to explore more things like science, entertainment, and even memes, I needed to understand the language. After I entered the university and chose to study oceanography, I noticed how much English is used in the specific world. A lot of academic journal, research paper, and textbook are in English. I didn't want to feel left behind, so I started to take it more seriously. I began watching YouTube videos of people explaining science topics in English, listening to English podcasts, and even changing my body language to English. I also tried to improve my speaking skills. Talk I talk in English, record my voice, and repeated phrases from movies or podcasts. Sometimes I even practice in front of the mirror. Uh, Learning English has been a journey. It's not easy, but it's totally worth it. I can now understand more complex material, express my thoughts better, and even help my friend if they get stuck with English assignment. And I know I still have a long way to go, but at least now I'm enjoying the process. So yeah, that's a little story about my experience with English. Thank you for listening.